Yet another type of commercial phosphorus fertilizer that can be used is ammonium polyphosphate. It's a liquid, and the way that this is created, it is taking phosphoric acid and reacting it with itself to create something called pyrophosphoric acid. And then we take that liquid phase and react it with ammonia gas from the Haber-Bosch process. The guarantee is typically 10-30-40, and the approximate density is 11.6 pounds per gallon. So if you were asked to calculate an application rate of this type of fertilizer, knowing a target application rate for P2O5 and the percent of P2O5 in the fertilizer and the density, you could come up with, say, a gallons per acre application rate. And we learned this back in the nitrogen unit when dealing with liquid nitrogen fertilizers and their applications. Okay, regardless, this liquid fertilizer can be applied with seed. There's little risk of ammonia volatilization because right around the zone of incorporation or application, the pH tends to be about 6.8. So that's below 7, which is sort of the cutoff point for when we're concerned about volatilization losses. The portion of the fertilizer itself, polyphosphate, has the ability to chelate metals. And so what does that mean? That means the ability to grab a hold of and maintain metals in the solution itself and not allow those metals to precipitate out of the solution. So you can add micronutrients to this fertilizer, for example, zinc or iron, and apply those micronutrients with the fertilizer itself. The beauty of this fertilizer, because it's liquid, it can be blended with other liquid fertilizers. And the beauty of this fertilizer is because it's liquid, oftentimes it's used as a starter fertilizer because you get a more uniform application within a field setting. So it's very attractive.